Hi Jamie, this is Kelly. I am going to be showing you how to copy the discussion board from the environmental Pearson master over to our actual master. So hopefully you can follow me along here, and if you have questions, just be sure to let me know. So for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to be copying the discussion from lesson 3. So I'm going to click on lesson 3, and I'm going to click on the link for the posting that's there. And if you scroll down here, I'm assuming that this is the part that you want to copy. So to do this, we're going to click Modify, because we can't actually copy a discussion board from one course to the next. I'm actually going to copy this image that's there and the text. So once I'm in the post, the modify post area, I'm going to click on the toggle button to toggle from the view that I'm in now to the HTML source code mode. And here you're going to see all sorts of code. This doesn't make any sense, but basically this code is what creates the picture that we see. So I'm just going to click in this window, and I'm going to hit Control All to select everything that's in here. And then I'm going to hit Control Copy. You could also right click and copy so that this content is now copied. Then I am going to access the actual master that we're working in. This is the NS 111 master test, which is where you're copying the content to. And for the purposes of this demonstration, I made a copy of the Unit 3 discussion board. So just in case you're planning on keeping the Unit 3 discussion board, I'm not going to mess with that, but I did create a copy. So you're going to go into the discussion board where you want to copy from the Pearson content, and click Modify. And then you're going to go to the HTML source code for this discussion board, and we're going to select all of this, and we're just going to delete this so that everything is deleted out of the discussion board, all of the HTML coding and everything. And then I'm going to paste the code that I copied from the Pearson course. Okay, so that's pasted in here now, and now I'm just going to switch back to the normal mode, and you'll see that that picture has shown up. So what's kind of neat about this is that you can now still edit this outside of the HTML mode. So for some reason, there's this little caret here. I don't know why that is. It's actually showing up in the Pearson content as well. Maybe it's my Firefox browser, but in any case, I'm going to delete this so that it's nice and clean. And then you're going to also want to scroll down and just sort of take a look at what are they telling us to do, what are the directions are they giving to students, because we really don't need these steps 5 and 6. Instructor reviews the post and the instructor circulates an email. That's not really necessary for the purposes of our course, so I'm going to go ahead and delete this out of here so no one's confused by that. Oops. You don't want to delete the whole thing. So you need to be kind of careful how you do this. Okay. And then depending on how you want to word things for the students, this looks pretty good. You might want to say that they should post the response to the discussion board, let's see, by Sunday at midnight. And they should read other students' posts and respond to other students by Sunday at midnight. And as I'm typing this, I realize that this should say Thursday. And then I'm going to go down, and you're going to want to make sure all your other forum settings are what you want them to be, whether it's grading the forum and allowing subscriptions or whatever you want it to include here. And then you'll click Submit, and hopefully we've got a Unit 3 discussion board copied. What I'm going to do here, one thing that I haven't quite figured out yet, and I'm going to ask Rob as soon as I'm done doing this for you, is to try to find out why the font color is changing. I'm guessing it has something to do with the fact that this is the same blue as we copied over from the Pearson course, so there's some sort of code in there now, and perhaps we can adjust that. But this should work for you in terms of copying the content, and if you have any questions about this, please just let me know.